Well, friends, as you can see, we chose 3 products to upgrade our car audio stereo system. Before testing and playing music, I will provide explanation regarding the features and difference between these 3 options. Okay, number 1, convert AUX to USB and RAM and Bluetooth. You can see here, I try open number 1. Remote control. As you can see, this device have a Bluetooth receiver, music, wireless, and female USB for flash, USB flash memory, and TF memory input, AUX input, and key for control, 4 key for control, and here on and off, and you can see here AUX output jack for car stereo audio system, and here 2 wire red and black for 12-volt input power supply. As you can see, this device does not have a car cigarette lighter plug, and you must prepare it for the car by using a male car cigarette light plug this way. Okay, number 1. Let's go to introduce number 2 digital player. Remote control, and you can see here USB female for flash memory, TF memory, AUX input, 4 key for control, volume, scan, volume, mood, and BT means receiver Bluetooth wireless music, and here input 12-volt DC, on and off, audio output, and antenna for radio FM. This device does not have a car cigarette lighter plug, and you must use this plug. You can use this plug, cigarette lighter, to DC jack power supply. You can use like this. That's good. Let's go to introduce number 3. Number 3 is complete option. As you can see, USB flash memory female, memory TF, AUX input, 4 key for control, and Bluetooth receiver, this box, and power supply is cigarette light plug, and finally output AUX jack headphone for car stereo audio system. Okay, my friends, now we try turn it on this device by cigarette light here. If you can see cigarette light, I try put this plug, DC plug here, and here you can see light. Here you can use, that's good, and you can see turn it on, Bluetooth, AUX, flash memory, USB, TF, and you can use radio FM and audio out here. You can use AUX cable for output and AUX jack input, AUX system car, audio car. That's good. This device, and let's go to turn it other device, player for car, Bluetooth and USB. You see here AUX jack output, connect to input AUX car audio system, and use this plug, cigarette light plug, from this device to flat here. I tried to turn it on. You can see. That's good. Turn it on this device. And finally, for number 3, this device, you can use this cable AUX out to AUX in a stereo car. That's good. And you need cigarette light male for power supply. For this option, you should connect these wires here and turn it on by cigarette light. Okay, my friends, I hope this video useful for you. Please subscribe and like video. Thank you very much and goodbye.